Okay guys, we got a satellite dish here, and we're gonna make this into a cool COA sign, Caleb's Outdoor Adventures. So, no, look at that, look at that. Well, would you look at that, guys? That looks nice, doesn't it? Here goes it, plasma cutter. Sorry about the audio in the background.
Are you moving but have questions about buying or selling? Hey, Cooper Banks here. Do yourself a favor. Talk to Rick
The COA is done now, and it looks great. Established 2007. It looks 17. So good so far. 17. The finished product. Look how good that looks. That looks.
Is it finished?
No, I don't know. Maybe. What do you think?
Is it?
I don't know if it's finished. We'll have to decide.
We'll
Maybe paint it or something.
just paint it black.
Yeah.
It looks good black.
Yeah, paint it flat black. Huge shout out to my Uncle Dean. Okay guys, this is the finished product here. This time it's actually finished. We got the COA with an elk, established in 2007 with the 17 with the salmon right there. Just a quick little video of Dean making this awesome satellite dish sign for me. But it would mean a lot if you guys could go down and hit that subscribe button. I got some good videos coming your guys' way, and I'll see you guys on the next one.